there, I'm Mia, and today we're going to see how magnets stick to metal. Look at this shiny magnet. See this paper clip? Watch what happens when I bring the magnet close. The magnet is sticking to the paper clip. That's because magnets have a special power. They can pull metal things towards them. But look, when I try to stick the magnet to this wooden toy, it doesn't stick. That's because wood isn't metal. Let's see what else sticks. Here's a spoon and a coin. These are metal, so the magnet will love to stick to them. See? The magnet can stick to the spoon and the coin. Magnets and metal are great friends. Magnets don't stick to everything, just metal. They like to stick to metal things like coins, spoons, and paper clips. Look at the magnet dance. It's having fun sticking to all the metal things and letting go when we pull it away. Now you know how magnets stick to metal. They have a special power that pulls metal close. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.